Hello there. Today, as it is 9/11, I wanted to ask you, where were you when this historic event happened on September 11th in 2001? For me personally, I was in my class, and I believe it was in my government class in high school. And when everything happened, it was, of course, we were in awe. And it was really frightening too at the same time because we didn't know what to expect, what's going on with America, what is happening, and as teenagers, we didn't really understand everything, and our teacher couldn't say anything. And so basically, for the rest of the day, because this happened sometime in the morning, I was in Detroit, Michigan at that time. So this was around, I don't remember exactly what time, but around maybe 10 o'clock, 10-ish in the morning. So we were in class, and I tell you, I don't think we did anything the rest of the day. And uh, we were sent home because everybody was in awe and had no clue what was going on. So that was a really, you know, kind of difficult moment for everyone. But what happened after was even worse. And this I want to share with you because I don't know how many people are sharing or what people are saying, but this is my side of the story. And so we had a very diverse school, very diverse high school. We had all kinds of nationalities. We did have some Asians and white and lots of black and lots of Arabic. That was our most popular, most populated with African American and Arabic people. And we referred to our African American friends as Black, and they were okay with it. So hopefully that doesn't, offend anyone. But as far as I know, most of our Arabic friends, couple days later, came back to school crying because either their home was burnt down or their cars or their tires were slashed and windows were broken or something in some form or way was damaged. And to us as friends, we it was really heartbreaking and so difficult to understand what is going on. I understand, we understand that it was a terrorist attack, or at least that's what everybody was told. And but what do our friends have anything to do with it? And the thing is, me thinking back on this years later, the fact that they're Arabic or whatever nationality it is, and the terrorists seem to be the same nationality or similar, and it's just like people want people to hate each other. And so they use control, they use fear, they use their own agendas and tactics against others to, push their lies and push their agenda. And it's just so sad because others fall for it. And obviously there's so many people hating so many nations and so many other people who actually there, yes, there's good and bad in every single nationality, but that doesn't give us the right or an excuse to hate someone. And so my message to you is that forget who or what nationality someone is, or what their ancestors or whoever did what to whoever. That person might not even know the history and might not even care. We have to move on. We have to let certain things go, things that are holding us back, things that are making us hate others. We need to spread more love. We need to be kind to each other. We need to teach our children to love everyone. And how will they do that if there's so much hate in this world and if there's so many people teaching hate? And they're showing people what to do and how to protest against this and how to protest against that to get to, and people are fighting not for truth and not for the right things. And that's just sad. I hope that you are a woke person, and I hope that you are fighting for what's right, and you're fighting for the truth, and you're fighting for love and peace, not to get power in your hands or control and to take freedom away from you or others. Let's not spread those negative things around. And so, as many people are losing lives each and every single day, while we have ours, let's stand for the truth and let's remember to tell the truth, to be the light, to pass on peace and love, and to teach and guide our children the right way, the way that's going to help this world become a better place. That's, I think that's all I wanted to say. And I hope that encourages you. I hope that that this message helps you understand, um, where some people might come from, like from their pain point, or because they were taught to hate. We can understand all that, but then we don't have to be that. Let's do our part. All right. Stay awesome. Thanks for watching. God bless.